Yo, welcome back to Bobbville. Good job making it to part 2 of the video. Let's get straight back into it. On the last vid, we got all the bones set up, so now let's take all our sprites, and drag them into our game view. Then we'll scale, and set the layers, accordingly. I've been liking setting up the character in the most realistic way I can, so I'll rotate the left arm a little backwards by quickly switching to the rotate tool. Ooh-wee. Next, to fix both arms being in the front of the body, we'll change the order in layer of the sprite. Each sprite has its own order they appear in the game scene. We'll go more into that later though. In the inspector by default, they are all on layer 1. So boom, I'll set the arm to -5, so it can go behind the rest of the sprites. Cause if you think about it, the left arm is the farthest part on your player, then your body, head, right arm, blase blah. So remember, the same thing with the left leg, has to be done also. No diggity. In the inspector, I make the body sprite the main object of the player, then make all the other player sprites a child of that object by dragging them into the body. Groovy. I'll click on the main body sprite, and with the position tool selected we can see that all the sprites are moving together. Word up. Now let's just rename our different parts in the hierarchy, so we know which is which, a little easier. You can right click or simply press F2 to rename. Now that the cosmetic stuff is finished, let's finally add our freaking bones. Click on our player object and let's add a component in our inspector. Go to the 2D animation tab and click Sprite Skin. Nice. Now all we gotta do is press the Create Bones button, and Unity generates the bones we created into the inspector. But remember, our sprite is multiple sprites in one, so let's repeat this process for the child objects of our player. Yeah buddy, it's coming together now. Alright, one more thing, let's go back into the skinning editor and give names to our bones, once again, so we can tell what is what, way better later. I'll fast forward a bit, this is pretty straightforward. But hey, look at that. I feel like we're pretty much experts on this whole bone thing now. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Next we'll be creating our first animations. Like, subscribe and drop a comment down below if you've enjoyed us this far. And as always, thanks for watching, peace.